This song's called My Dog Is Gay. I got the cutest dog ever have seen. Never gets mad, never gets real mean. Think there's something wrong with his DNA genes, cause whenever I'm in public it is something obscene. Yeah. My dog is gay. Likes to go the other way. My dog is gay. Nothing I can do or say. My dog is gay. Likes to go the other way. See, I got